Are you interested in computers, codings, technology, software and digital world? Then your journey towards a successful career in IT sector can begin with BCA at PGI Pithoragarh.
BCA or Bachelors of Computer Application. It is not just about earning a degree. It is about developing the right knowledge, practical skills and the confidence to step into the technological world.
At PGI Pithoragarh, the BCA programs mainly focuses on connecting the academic learning to the practical and industry-oriented skills. Students get the opportunity to learn and work with coding, software development, web technologies, databases and practical projects, helping them to understand how technology is actually applied beyond the classrooms. Because in the world of IT, knowing the theory is important, but knowing how to apply it is what makes the difference. Technology is evolving every day, and so are career opportunities. That is why students can progressively build exposure to emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, software development, modern web and database technology. Along with technical learning, students can also gain valuable insight through industrial professions, helping them to understand current technological practices, teamwork, workplace expectations and emerging career pathways. PGI also provides opportunities for eligible students to gain practical industrial exposure while studying through an earn while you learn approach, subject to skills, performance and available opportunities. But learning technical skills is only one part of building a successful career. Preparing yourself for the professional world is equally important. That is why PGI provides placement assistance to help students prepare for suitable career opportunities. Students can receive support in areas such as ATS-friendly resume preparation, HR interviews, technical interviews, aptitude, communication, presentation skills, and overall professional readiness. Students can also work toward developing their own career portfolio by building projects, technical profiles, and demonstrable skills, giving them something more valuable than just a qualification, a proof of what they can actually do. After BCA, students can explore multiple career pathways based on their skills and interests. This includes web development, application development, software development, QA and software testing, database management, DevOps, and emerging AI-enabled roles. And your journey doesn't have to stop after your graduation. Depending on your career goal, you can also explore higher education options such as MCA, MBA, MSc IT and other higher education pathways. And for the student interested in independent career options, BCA also provides a foundation for your freelancing and entrepreneurship. At PGI Pithoragarh, students are supported throughout their learning journey with facilities like computer labs, smart classrooms, a Wi-Fi-enabled learning environment, hostels, and transport facilities. The goal is simple. Don't wait until graduation to become industry ready. Start building your skills from the very beginning.
So, if you see yourself building a future in technology, software, coding, and digital world, take your first step with BCA at PGI Pithoragarh. Learn practically, build real skills, become industry ready. Choose BCA, choose PGI Pithoragarh. Admissions are open. Enroll now. For more details, visit www.pgiedu.in.